Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do the what's in my bag tag, and let's just start. So this is my bag. This is the Yves Saint Laurent bag. It is this one. So first thing in here, I have my headphones. Those are the Beats headphones. I have gum here, umbrella, because the weather here changes like, I don't know what, 5 minutes it's sunny, the next 10 minutes it's pouring rain, then it's again sunny. Then I have here my makeup bag. I did a makeup look with whatever is inside my bag. Whatever is inside my makeup bag. I have here makeup, of course, then some hair ties, my pills when I have headache, some hygiene stuff like tampon, Q-tips, bendy, and whatever I need. Then I have my perfume. This is Creed. It's royal water. This is my all-time favorite one. Then because of Corona, I have here my mask. I have two normal masks and I have my FFP2 mask. Then I have here my hair tie, my key, and this small pouch. I normally have here my coins inside it, and this one here is a light when you turn it on. Then I do have here my shades. Those are Chanel shades. They were limited edition from, I think, 2016. Those are these ones. Then of course I have my phone, my wallet. This is the Louis Vuitton one. I have here 5,000 cards. I have a lot of useless cards. When I was traveling around the world and visited like a restaurant or a store, and I got a member card and never been in this country or restaurant or shopping mall ever again. And I found some receipts. I have a lot of trash in here. Then I have here my two lip balm. This is Carmex and my Dior one. Then I have here my passport, my badge, and my keys from work. Then I do have here my other headphones, so the iPhone. And what else? I have here also a pen. And then only those cards, and that's it. My bag is empty. When I'm going to work, I bring my iPad with me and my laptop, the charger of course, and yeah, that's it. That's it guys. That was a short what's in my bag video. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know in the comments below which video you would like to see next. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I see you in the next video.